Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Tailwind CSS in a React project. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more technical tips and tutorials. Before we begin, make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. You will also need a basic understanding of React and CSS. The first step is creating a React project. Open your terminal and run the following command. That is npx create React app and then project name. Here I am giving React Tailwind CSS setup. So this is the project name. This you can keep any name. So once you hit enter here, it will create a project. I'm not creating a project again. I have already created it because it takes more time to set up the project. I don't want to increase the video length. So once you are done with setup, just go to the project directory and open the project. So let me go to the project directory. I'm in the project directory now I'm opening the project. So I open the project. Here once you are done with the opening project, next step is create or install Tailwind CSS. The command is npm install -t Tailwind CSS. Let's install Tailwind CSS first. It's saying okay, sorry, one sec, I misspelled the one sec, let me set up the okay, let me set up this window perfectly to fit into the video. Okay, okay, good. Now so I did a mistake here. I typed install instead of install. Let me start again. Let me install Tailwind CSS install. Okay. So yeah, now we are done with the setting up or installing Tailwind CSS. Now let's run or initiate the Tailwind CSS. npx Tailwind CSS -nit init. Okay, now it created a configuration file, that is tailwind.config.css. Whatever the two commands we just ran, what they do is they install Tailwind CSS and create a tailwind.config.js file in your project. If you see here, it created a project file here. Now the next step is configuring Tailwind CSS. So let's open tailwind.config.js file and update content section. So I already opened the file here. Here we should update the content section. So in the content section, what we have to do is we simply enter the following the following. Okay, so here we should tell or include the paths to all our template files. We should include the path of all our template files, that is under source all files, under source all files with the extension JS, JSX, TS, TSX. So here I am considering both JavaScript and then TypeScript. That's the reason I am entering TSX as well. If you skip that, you can simply enter JS and JSX. Okay, so now we are done with the configuring tailwind.configure.js file. Now the next step is, let's save this. Now the next step is adding Tailwind directives. We need to add Tailwind's base, components and utility styles to our CSS file. For that, what we have to do is, let's open index.css in index.css file in our in our project, and then add the directives Tailwind base, next Tailwind components, next Tailwind's utilities. So with this we are done with adding directives. Next step is, let's start using the Tailwind CSS in action. So let's open the app.js file here. So and then remove all the content here except div content. Okay, let me remove div as well. So I'll be adding a new here, div, new tag here. Okay. Sorry, div. Okay, why it's not showing intelligence? Div, let's say Tailwind CSS setup for React. Okay, and then I'll show you the difference with Tailwind CSS and without Tailwind CSS. So now I'm not using any styles, so I simply added a content here and then saved. Let me start the application npm start npm start. So this will open your application on 3000 port. Okay, successfully opened the application on localhost 3000. So let me open this and then see what we look. See, if you see here, this is a Tailwind CSS setup without the content of our application without having Tailwind CSS. Now let's add Tailwind CSS to this class name. I'll say text. I want to align the text at the center, text center, and then I want to increase the font size, that is text, let's say 3XL, and then color of my text should be like orange. Okay, and then let's have a border 2. Now let's see how it looks like. See, if you see here, it then moved the content to the center of the page, and then it added a border, and then even it increased size. Now let me add one more thing. Let me use semi bold. Let's make the text into bold, font semi bold. Let's save and then see now how it looks like. See, it increased the size. Even we can increase, we can add margin to top. See, it went down. If you want to move that to center of your screen, you can simply use H screen, and then if you see here, sorry, what happened? Okay, I'm using here this thing, right? Okay, for that we should use the flex to make our content at the center of page. I can use H screen. And then if I use one more div inside it, then the content will go to the center of a page. Why it's not working? I said flex H screen. Sorry, I haven't saved it. Okay. Okay, somehow it's not working. I don't know what went wrong here. I'm using flex H screen. Okay, got it. See now. So now it went to the center of your page. Okay, using like this we can use our Tailwind CSS for our project. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit bell icon for more videos and technical tips. Also please share this video if you like it's useful. Thank you.